here?
Hey, what's up? So, there's sprinklers here. Yeah. Me and Jathan are just chilling, going through the sprinklers, seeing how long we can last in them. Come on, run around if you get cold and... Why would you go through it?
You have no idea how cold this is.
See how long you can last.
There's a man there. Emma! I'm getting wet! I'm getting wet!
The guy just looks and fucking looks.
Oh.
Okay, give me it. Come here. We'll see what I can do. Here you are. She's gonna call the cops and there's something for running through the sprinklers.
Oh my god.
How was that for you?
It's cold.
Yeah?
Oh my god.
Alright.
That was exhilarating.
Alright.
It's Emma's turn. Oh god, and I'm wearing light colored pink.
Get in there.
Light colored pink, and now it's gonna fucking go look like I've been rained on. Nobody looking?
We're looking.
Nobody looking, huh?
No. Someone was watching me though. Go. Go through one. Lay down in it, 'cause I did.
Fuck you, you're the one who was stupid enough to sit on it.
Shut up.
I feel like you're stepping on my brand new grass. Watch. Woo! Okay. I walked right into one. Are you fucking kidding me? Alright.
Well done? Say goodbye to your viewers.
Do I look, so wet. I'm so, at least we live like 1 block away.